Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have a beautiful bag to show you. It is from the company OUNAMEI Official. And I have a discount code. My code is MARY20. It will give you 20% off this bag and other bags. They have a website and then they also have an Instagram where you can go and look at what they have. And let me show you what I have. I do want to tell you a little bit about the company. OUNAMEI, the OUNAMEI team, which is a woman's small business. That's what I wanted you to know. I love helping out small businesses and I love helping out women-owned businesses. So I just wanted to show you, this came in a Ziploc bag. This was in an outer box and a nice Ziploc bag. And then it has a bag for the purse, a dust bag. So I wanted to show you that. And this is vegan leather. And it's very pretty. It comes in a couple of different colors and they sent me this beautiful color here and it feels really good. I don't know that you can tell the difference of it. It feels like leather. It's very pretty. They have it wrapped very nicely. There is their tag, OUNAMEI. Maybe it's OUNAMEI. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but you can follow them, it says, on Facebook and Instagram. And they do have a 30-day return policy. And this bag is just really pretty. Here's the back side of it. And this is a crossbody, like a mail carrier bag. It's called the Remy bag, R-E-M-Y. And let me show you how it works. See, they do keep everything wrapped up nicely for you to keep it from getting marked up in shipment. And it has a beautiful gold, well, let me get the papers off. All right, it has beautiful gold tone, nice gold tone hardware. This isn't chintzy. This is good hardware here. And so the front of it has this nice big pocket here. This is a magnet closure, but let me show you. It's nice and lined inside. And then this will come over the top and snap right here. Little snap, okay? So if you want to get into the bag, then it is like this. It's quite big inside, deep. It's deep. It's not real thick of a bag. It's on the thinner side, so it won't get too heavy as you use it as a crossbody. And inside, there's a pocket here and a pocket here. So one would hold your cell phone, maybe one your glasses. And in the back wall has a nice zippered pocket, also with that gold tone. Gold tone hardware, and it's nice gold tone hardware. It really is. And it's lined very nicely throughout the bag. And this is the crossbody strap. It was inside. And look at how pretty it is. And like I said, they have different color bags. They had a light blue bag. I think they had it in black. And this is beautiful. There's some more of that pretty gold hardware. And then this can be adjusted to fit you. So let me put it on. And I can show you, I personally, my favorite kind of a bag is a crossbody bag, because when I'm out and about and I need a bag for shopping, I like everything to be right with me. I don't want things, on my shoulder or where someone could get in and bother it. This way it's just right with me. So you can wear this as a shoulder bag. Isn't that strap gorgeous, y'all? Look at that tapestry work. Beautiful embroidery. And then you can make it longer. Very, very easy. Look at, you can adjust it quite a bit. Very easy to adjust. You'll just, I'll make it a little bit longer for me to put over my shoulder. See, and then it just adjusts easily. And then I made it a little, I could make it long, I'll make it longer for myself, but just to give you the idea of what the crossbody looks. And then this can hang, if you can have it up high or you can have it down low, because there's so much room on this strap. You can make it really low. A lot of the younger people today are wearing their bags, like I said, like a messenger bag, where they wear it over, and then they have it hanging behind them. And it hangs really low, like at their hip. You can do that with this strap. The strap is nice and long. So it's just beautiful. And their bags on their website are very, very pretty. They look like they're very well crafted. This is very well crafted. This isn't, something really cheap that you can get at any old store. It's very well crafted. And like I said, the hardware is very nice. And this bag right now is on their website for $55.99. And if you use my code, you'll get $20% off. So it's just so pretty, y'all. I love the strap. And go see what else they have. They have quite a bit to look at. And I will put their information below if you'd like to check them out. And thank you so much to OUNAMEI official for sending me this gorgeous bag. I really like it. It's perfect for fall. This color, this is like a, I call this like saddle brown. Perfect for fall. So thank you so much for this bag, and thank you all for stopping by and seeing it, and have a great day. Count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.